it appears that fortune has shifted its favor away from Wendy Williams, as her ex-husband has emerged victorious in a significant legal battle, allegedly prompted by financial struggles following the cessation of alimony payments from Wendy. He initiated this lawsuit. Notably, Wendy herself has expressed concerns regarding his role in raising their daughter, alongside his former mistress, Sharina Hudson. So, what's the latest development in Kevin Hunter's ongoing legal dispute with the Wendy Williams show's producers? Recent events have set the entertainment industry abuzz with intrigue. As reported by Radar Online, Kevin Hunter is savoring a taste of triumph after a notable legal victory in a New York federal court. The primary targets of his legal pursuit were Mercury, the production company responsible for broadcasting The Wendy Williams Show, and its founders, Ira Bernstein and Mort Marcus. This legal feud traces its origins back to the prior year when Kevin Hunter initiated legal action against Mercury.
And when you're in a situation where you're busy trying to divide and conquer and remove something instead of really focusing on what's really going on.
In his complaint, Hunter contended that he had been unfairly terminated from his role as an executive producer on The Wendy Williams Show. This termination occurred amidst a turbulent period in his personal life, marked by Wendy Williams filing for divorce in 2019 and publicly accusing him of infidelity. The allegations of an extramarital affair between Hunter and a woman named Sharina Hudson had cast a shadow over his professional life, ultimately leading to his departure from the show. Kevin Hunter strongly defended his professional reputation, asserting that his termination was wrongful and driven by personal motives rather than legitimate business concerns. He argued that his contributions to The Wendy Williams Show's success were undeniable and that his ousting stemmed directly from the divorce drama unfolding in his personal life. In contrast, Mercury and its founders, Bernstein and Marcus, argued that their decision to terminate Kevin Hunter was rooted in their commitment to preserving the show's integrity and reputation. They maintained that the alleged affair and its negative publicity had adversely impacted the show's viewership and overall image. Fortunately for Kevin, the recent court ruling rejected the TV company's attempt to dismiss his lawsuit. The lawsuit contended that Kevin's termination was solely based on his marital status and impending divorce from the show's host, disregarding his significant contributions to the show's success. In his suit, Kevin claimed to have represented Wendy Williams in 2007 during negotiations for the talk show. The show was initially given a 6-week trial run, which proved successful, and it officially aired its first episode in 2008. Kevin asserted that he played a pivotal role behind the scenes in Wendy's prior ventures, utilizing his business acumen and street smarts to negotiate a substantial financial increase from the initial contract offered to Wendy. Additionally, he claimed to have originated Wendy's famous segments, Hot Topics and Shoe Cam. His contributions included making final decisions on guests, devising marketing plans to boost ratings, establishing media contacts, assisting in reaching the show's target audience, and implementing security procedures for his ex-wife. Kevin also accused the producers of planning to incorporate elements from The Wendy Williams Show into their new talk show with Cherie Shepherd, a move he argued was in violation of New York law. In response, Mercury denied allegations of discrimination or wrongful termination against Kevin. They contended that New York law prohibits employers from discriminating based on marital status, but Hunter's specific marriage to Wendy Williams did not qualify as a protected characteristic. However, it's worth noting that Kevin's recent legal win merely allows him to pursue the lawsuit. No financial compensation has been awarded to him thus far, indicating a long road ahead. Meanwhile, fans have weighed in on Kevin's victory, with some expressing skepticism about his financial prospects given his various legal battles and financial challenges. This legal saga is not Kevin's first encounter with the court following his divorce from Wendy. Indeed, it appears that Kevin is facing significant financial difficulties. A few months ago, he took Wendy to court, alleging that the monthly payments agreed upon in their divorce had abruptly ceased in February 2022. Kevin requested the court to compel Wendy to fulfill her payment obligations, as it was well known that Wendy had been financially supporting him after their divorce. Kevin disclosed his financial stress, acknowledging that he had fallen behind on bills, including homeowner association fees and car insurance. He attributed these issues to the suspension of monthly severance payments and emphasized his urgent need to rectify his financial situation. Wendy had incorporated a clause in their alimony agreement, stating that if she ever left the Wendy Williams show, she would not be obliged to pay Kevin any further. As fate would have it, Wendy's health issues worsened, leading to the show's cancellation, and consequently, the alimony payments ceased. This turn of events left Kevin in dire financial straits. Wendy ceased receiving income from the Wendy Williams show in October 2021, despite the show continuing for an entire season in her absence. Her health struggles included Graves' disease and substance use. Wendy's attorney confirmed that Kevin was no longer entitled to alimony payments due to the show's cancellation. The divorce agreement explicitly stated that the cancellation of the show meant Kevin would receive no further financial support. Wendy's attorney conveyed this news in a letter dated October 15, 2021, explaining that Wendy would not receive compensation during her disability and incapacity. One crucial moment that highlighted Wendy's financial predicament occurred during her 2-month rehab stint in California in August 2020. It was a turning point in her life as she grappled with severe alcoholism that had resulted in public incidents. Prior to seeking treatment, Wendy appeared unwilling to overcome her alcohol addiction, and her New York City inner circle seemed to enable her self-destructive behavior. However, fate intervened when Wendy required psychiatric evaluation following a harrowing incident, leading to her hospitalization. During this vulnerable period, Wells Fargo took control of her financial assets, leaving her and her son, Kevin Jr., without financial control. Kevin Jr.'s lavish Miami apartment, symbolizing their once enviable family wealth, faced the threat of eviction due to $70,000 in back rent owed. With Wendy allegedly incapacitated due to medical and legal issues, she could no longer provide the financial support they had grown accustomed to. Kevin Jr. turned to the courts, explaining his mother's health issues left him without housing or financial support after taking a year off school to care for her. This turn of events seemed to signal the end of Kevin Sr.'s hopes for extracting more money from Wendy. The judge in Kevin Sr.'s previous case ruled against his urgent pleas for alimony, declaring his request far from emergent and dismissing his application without prejudice. This legal victory relieved Wendy Williams of the obligation to pay further alimony to her ex-husband. In any case, fans were quick to ridicule Hunter after he lost this case. One fan actually commented, "Kelvin was in such a hurry to sign those papers and get that money that he forgot to read the fine print." A second fan added, "It's just mind-blowing how this guy cheated and had a mistress over 10 years, plus had a baby with his mistress. And now that the marriage is over, he feels Wendy should take care of his new family." In the end, Kevin Hunter's hopes of securing additional financial support from Wendy were dashed, and the judge's denial of his request for Wendy to cover his attorney fees marked the final blow. Wendy Williams could finally rest easy, knowing that her hard-earned money would remain her own. Fans were quick to mock Hunter after this legal setback, with some criticizing his actions and financial expectations in light of his past behavior. This concludes the overview of Kevin Hunter's legal battles and their impact on his and Wendy Williams' finances. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Stay tuned, and we will catch you in the next video.